Okay, I found the firebox, the fire panel box, and in the studio, in Unit 2, they have smoke alarms, they have fire alarms, everything's good in there, in that unit, which is where I did not look earlier. I did not go into her unit, but I had no idea that it would be over there. I would think it would be in the main space. But anyway, I'm showing you this only to demonstrate that there is not one single solitary sprinkler nor smoke alarm. I'll send you the picture of the smoke alarms in Unit 2. But as you can see, I'm just again, maybe I'm just being too precautious. There's that, I got that light. If the power goes off, this is a prime example. How is there not one single smoke detector in this room? There's a, again, these lowered ceilings, all these lowered ceilings, nothing. Those are speakers. And also you can see, I'm going to show you, there's various leaks. There's old leaks, I would think, but leaks nonetheless in the roof. That's another story. Again, here's the main little office. I'm just showing you this to show that there are some leaks in here, but they're not wet, so they could be old. And you'll get a report from the again, this big space. There's the drums I spoke to you about. There's the water meters over there. Again, whatever. If they're telling you that they never needed anything as far as sprinkler systems, I don't know. Okay, I don't know how they could get away with no smoke alarm, but apparently, if that's what they're saying. But here's the space this is the space for the cultural center, which is going to have multiple people, many people. And the fire marshal will probably have to come in and say how many people they can hold at any time if they get their certificate of occupancy, their certificate of use. So this is the space. Once he comes in here, once the fire marshal comes in here, I think they'll probably say something about smoke alarms. I think they'll probably say something about sprinklers. We can roll the dice. I know the tenants are pretty cool. If they were okay with not getting a certificate of use, I mean, I put it in the agreement that they are responsible for getting their own certificate of use. But who knows? We'll discuss. All right.